Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fathiah, and today I will discuss about feedback. First of all is definition. Feedback can be interpreted as returning part of the output signal to the input. A feedback system is a system where the output signal from the amplifier is returned to the input of the amplifier so that the output signal joins the input signal. Feedback refers to the process by which a portion of the output of an electronic circuit is returned or given back to the input or other points of the circuits. The purpose of feedback is to control or regulate circuit performance, improve stability, and achieve desired results. There are two common types of feedback in basic electronics, namely positive feedback and negative feedback. First, positive feedback. In positive feedback, a given output signal returns to the input with the same or positive phase. This can cause the circuit to become unstable and result in infinite gain or increase. Positive feedback is used in some applications, such as oscillators. However, it must be managed carefully to avoid unwanted effects. And then, there is negative feedback. Negative feedback is the most common type of feedback used in electronics. In negative feedback, the output signal is returned to the input with the opposite or negative phase. The main purpose of negative feedback is to improve stability, reduce distortion, and produce the desired response in various electronic circuits such as audio amplifiers. Negative feedback helps control circuit performance by monitoring and correcting the difference between the input signals and the output signals. So there are advantages of using negative feedback. First, the gain is more stable as it is no longer affected by the feedback components. Second, the resistance in the output and input no longer depends on the internal parameters of the transistor, such as a high and low. Instead, it depends on the external components only. Third, the frequency response becomes wider in both LF and HF. Last, under certain conditions, the nonlinearity or harmonic distortion and S or N ratio of the amplifier can be improved. And then, there are disadvantages of using negative feedback. The signal gains become smaller, and if a lot of feedback magnitude is used, it tends to be unstable. So it tends to oscillate and produce an undesirable output voltage signals. So it's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.